second year. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you.
You
We just start
to you too, sir.
our lecture. In the morning, we are discuss what is the type of matrix and all this thing. So now in this lecture, we will see algebra of matrices. So anybody can you tell me what is the algebra of matrices? What is studied in algebra of matrices?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication.
Hello? Hello?
Ha, sir.
Yes. What is the algebra of matrices? Algebra. In 9th standard, we have seen that algebra concept addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is the combination of all these things means we have made algebra. In algebra, we have studied only addition, subtraction, multiplication, division without else. ह्या गोष्टी तुम्ही शिकलेल्या नाही. दोनच तुम्ही युनिट शिकलात. एक म्हणजे अल्जेब्रा आणि दुसरं म्हणजे जॉमेट्री. अल्जेब्रा म्हणजे हे सगळ्यांचं मिक्सचर आणि जॉमेट्री म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहितीच आहे. ओके. सो अल्जेब्रा ऑफ मॅट्रिसेस. सो मॅट्रिक्स बरोबर आपण काय काय करू शकतो? मॅट्रिक्स बरोबर आपण काय काय करू शकतो? यस.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Very good, Rutuja. Okay. So for that, in this section, we will study the simple operation like addition, subtraction, and multiplication of matrices. So first of all, we see the addition. So how it is the addition of the matrices? Yes. What is the condition for adding two matrices? What is the basic condition?
Two matrices must be of same order.
Very good. Of same order. Whatever the order is same. Either it is rectangular, either it is square. But order must be same. So we got the matrix. Let A and B be two matrices. Addition of A and A to B is the addition of element from A to B that are the same position. Means what to take that? Matrix must be same order. Okay. For matrix addition, it is necessary. Condition is what? Is that matrix must be of same order. Okay, algebra of matrices. Write down algebra of matrices. In that, write down first addition, first addition, first addition, first addition, first addition, rather than that, just the condition for matrix addition, the necessary condition is that the matrix must be of same order. There is no need to add something. Okay, or better we take the example also. So A is equal to something 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to -1, 2, -3, 4. Okay. So what is the addition of A minus A plus B? Okay. So A plus B is equal to what? A plus B is equal to what? We just add the same position of the element. 1 minus 1. 2 plus 2.
0, 0, 4, 0, 8.
Okay, very good. So we got the matrix addition is what? 0, 4, 2, 8. So this is the matrix addition. We add the same position element. We add same position element. Okay, this is matrix addition. Similar subtraction. What is subtraction? For subtraction also. For subtraction also. What? For subtraction, matrix must be same order. Okay, same
2040.
same element we take. A minus B. This is A matrix. This is B matrix. We got that 1
2040.
minus 1. Then 2 minus 2. 3 minus of minus 1. Then
सर ते -3 आहे ना बी मधला -3 आहे ना
1 1 1. Okay. Then yes, what will be 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 0.
0,
3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 4 0. That is the element.
0.
That is the element. Okay. 0 4 2 8. Okay. This is the A minus B. Order must be important and element position is also important. So, okay, so all of you understand that addition and subtraction of the two matrices. Next, equality of matrices. So what is the equality of matrix? When you say that the two matrices are equal, when you say that the two matrices are equal,
They are
सर
same
एक मिनिट
again.
मागची स्क्रीन दाख
okay, just do it.
ओके सर
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Screenshot घ्या वाटलं तर काढून काय problem नाहीये. I will take the next. Equality of matrix. When you say that the two matrices are equal, when you say that the two
Two
matrices are
matrix
equal,
must have same number of columns, same number of rows, and their corresponding elements also must be same.
okay. In short, order must be same. In short, order must be same. बरोबर है?
Yes.
Order must be same. Then element also same. So let A and B be the two matrices. Then they are said to be equal if and only if order of A and order of B are equal. And second, Aij equal to Bij. Element of that same position are also equal. Okay. So these are the equality of matrices. Aij equal to Bij for all A belongs to matrix A and B belongs to matrix B. Okay. So this is the matrix A and B. So these two matrices are equal. Okay. This is the equality of matrices. This is the equality of matrices. Okay. Now what is the remaining? Yes. Yes. What is the remaining?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Yes, Patil says the multiplication. Okay, very good. Multiplication is remaining. So over this equality, addition, first addition, second subtraction, third equality of matrix, fourth one multiplication. Okay, over this we have moved toward the next part.
Yes.
Multiplication of matrices. So in multiplication of matrices, yes. What is the condition for multiply the two matrices?
Number of columns in first matrix must be equal to number of rows in second matrix.
Very good, Saurabh.
Sir, this is Atharva.
Atharva, sorry, Atharva. Very good, Atharva. So number of very important rule says that are very important. Suppose A is equal to of order M by N and B of order P by Q. For multiplication A into B, here N and this P must be same. And then A cross B is equal to M cross Q. And condition is what? N equal to P. That is the condition. And त्याची order काय होती M into Q. Okay. म्हणजे कंडिशन काय होतीये? जर पहिल्या मॅट्रिक्सचा कॉलम आणि दुसऱ्या मॅट्रिक्सचा रो हे दोन जर सेम असतील तर आणि तरच त्या मॅट्रिक्सचं काय होऊ शकतं? मल्टिप्लिकेशन होऊ शकतं. अदरवाइज वी कॅनॉट डू द मल्टिप्लिकेशन. क्लिअर दिस? क्लिअर दिस?
Yes, sir.
ओके. आपण दुसरं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करू शकत नहीं है. Okay. So just take that multiplication of the matrices A into B, A into B. The condition is write down. Condition is write down. Let write down here. Let A be a matrix of order m by n and B be a matrix of order P by Q, then or then A cross B or multiplication of these two matrices then multiplication of A and B use order m cross q provided n equal to p, provided n equal to p. Okay, so all of you know that how to take the product of this matrix. Suppose A equal to this matrix A11, A12, then A21, A22, and B matrix is B11, B12, B21, B22. What is A cross B? We take the product of the two matrices. ह्याची पोझिशन काय असते? The position of this is 1 1. ह्याची पोझिशन काय असते? 1 2. ह्याची पोझिशन काय असते? 2 1. ह्याची पोझिशन काय असते? 2 2. त्याच्यामध्ये सांगितलं असतं 1 1 means this is a row and this is a column. First row, first column. This is a row, this is a column. First row, second column. This is a row, this is a column. Second row, first column. This is a row, this is a column. Second row, second column. In this way, we are doing the multiplication of two matrices. So we take the multiplication. What is the multiplication of these two matrices? Yes. So multiply this first row into this first column. A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. This is the product. Okay, similarly, position of this element A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. And similarly, this A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. Similarly, A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. This is the product of the two matrices, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Very good. So this is the multiplication of matrix. Write down.
अजून एकदा सांगा.
Okay, अजून एक सांगतो. Okay. Just to write down. After write down, I will tell that. Okay. लिहून घ्या त्यानंतर मी तुम्हाला सांगतो परत. Just write down Tanaji, then after that I will tell you. Okay. Over? Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just see. This is the matrix. What is the A cross B? याची पोझिशन काय ती A11 म्हणजे हा रो इंटू हा कॉलम A11 into B11 here, then plus A12 into B21, this one. Similarly हा रो, कारण इथं पोझिशन काय 1 1, हा मॅट्रिक्सचा प्रोडक्ट काय येणार आहे 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. मग ही एलिमेंट काय आहे? हा पहिला always indicate that rows and second always indicate that column. So this is the 1 1 rows and column. So this rows into column, rows into column. So this is the first row into first column, first row into second column, second row into first column, second column into, sorry, second row into second column. Just we have multiply and take middle time is addition. So position ला जेवढं आहेत ते मल्टिप्लाय करा, पोझिशन सोडून जे राहिलेत त्याला ऍडिशन मध्ये फक्त ऍडिशन नंबर द्या. ओके. सो A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21, this is the element, we got the A11. Similarly, second A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22, this is the 812 element cover. Similarly, here is 21, A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. Similarly, A21 into B12, A22 into B22. This is the product of the two matrices. This is the product of two matrices. Okay. After that, okay, just we are doing some addition, some multiplication of the matrices. Okay. So this is the first example. A equal to 3 1 by 1, B equal to 5 1 by 1, AB 1 by 1 is element असल्यामुळे त्याला काय प्रॉब्लेम येत नाही. So we got that 3 into 5 15 1. Similarly, we take that 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. Okay. So it is 1 by 2. इथला कॉलम आणि इथला रो दोन्ही पण सेम आहे. Okay, just multiply 1 2 1 into 4, then plus 2 into 7, we got the element 18. Then next 2 by 2, this is the 2 by 2 multiplication. Just check, just go through it. If you not understand, please ask me. I know that you are very brilliant student, but see, this is the basic part. This is the basic part. हे आपल्याला पुढे शिकायचं मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन, पुढे प्रॉब्लेम नकोय. Okay. Okay, or just take the screenshot. Very व्यवस्थित study केला तरी. So we go to the next part. Okay, we move towards next part. Fourth example based on multiplication of matrix. Okay, forget this. Now tell me, is AB equal to BI? is AB equal to BI? Sorry, AB equal to BA. AB equal to BA. Is this possible? AB equal to BA. Is this possible?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Anuj, yes, very good.
Yes.
Yes, okay, okay. ह्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त कोणाचा आन्सर आहे का? ओके संग्राम, येस आय विल नोट दॅट संग्राम. ओके, ह्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त कोणाचा आन्सर आहे का? इज AB इक्वल टू BA? Is AB equal
No, sir.
to? Huh?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir.
Why?
Negative.
Krishna, Chauhan,
Negative.
Ritesh. Yes,
Elements
why?
are interchanging, sir.
Okay. Element are
Rows and
interchanging.
columns are interchange.
बर, त्याने काय फरक पडतो? त्याने काय फरक पडतो? घेऊन पहा ना एखादा एक्झाम्पल. 1 2 3 4.
No, sir. It's not.
2 3 4 5. याचा प्रोडक्ट किती येणार पहा? 4 2 8 आणि 2 10. इथे 3 10 13. इथे 6 16 6 22. इथे 9 9 29. या दोघांचं प्रोडक्ट घेऊन टाका. 2 3 4 5 आणि 1 2 3 4. पहा बरं सेम येतोय का? 2 3 3 9 2 11. 3 4 12 12 आणि 4 16. 4 5 3 15 15 आणि 4 19. 8 28. आहे का सेम आहे? दिस मॅट्रिक्स इज नॉट इक्वल.
No, sir.
This matrix is not equal, na? This matrix is not equal. When this process is not always equal. Sometimes it is possible. Sometimes it is possible. Sometimes this AB equal to BI, but not all case. Okay. So AB equal to not BA. काही केस साठी ते पॉसिबल होत आहेत. त्याचं एक एक्झाम्पल आहे काही केस साठी. So that's the case. So this is the case. A equal to this one, B equal to this one. So that AB equal to BA. ह्या केस साठी तुमचं इक्वल येते. या केस पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल साठी काही ठराविक एक्झाम्पल साठी येते, पण प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल साठी येतच असं नाहीये. नॉट ऑलवेज. सम एक्झाम्पल इज पॉसिबल बट नॉट ऑलवेज. मीन्स the two matrix are not satisfy the commutative law. Okay, commutative law satisfy karat nahi matrix. Okay, so this is nothing but your algebra of matrices. Now tell me division. algebra मध्ये शेवटचा पार्ट आहे डिव्हिजन. यस, पहा ऍडिशन करू शकतो, सबट्रॅक्शन करू शकतो, then A equal to B पण करू शकतो, then A multiply B पण करू शकतो. So can you possible A divided by B? A divided by B possible आहे का रे? केलं का तुम्ही?
No.
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 Okay, Rutuja
No,
says
sir.
No.
this is no. Yes,
No,
Krishna? No. Yes.
Sir, we
Means,
can take reciprocal.
No, sir.
huh?
We cannot divide actually, but reciprocal can be taken.
No. Reciprocal means element. Reciprocal means element. Element ने सोडून द्या. He just a matrix. We are denoted as matrix, not an element. Reciprocal elements चा तो सोडून द्या. Consider transformation. तो आहे. त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही eligible होऊ शकतात. पण ह्या ठिकाणी नाहीये. Okay? Means A divided by B. This is not possible. A divided by B is not possible. Means algebra of matrix is only possible addition, subtraction, equality, and multiplication. But division is not possible in matrices. So write down, division is not possible in matrices. Division is not possible in matrices. Division is not possible in matrices. Clear? Division is not possible in matrices. Okay. After ending this, we move toward the part. What is the syllabus we have seen? Okay, this symmetry matrix, Q symmetry matrix is over. My type of matrix is over. Okay, this part is over. हा part संपला, हा part संपला. म्हणजे type of matrix आपला over झाला. Okay, introduction, intro, and type of matrix is over. What is the next part? What is the next part? Orthogonal of matrices. So we have seen that next part, orthogonal of matrices. We have go to directly that slide. 39. Okay, orthogonal matrices. Anybody? Anybody? Can you tell me what is orthogonal of matrices? Have you seen earlier? Have you see earlier in the your course, previous course, for the yes, orthogonal matrices. Okay. Yes, anybody? Just try. What is orthogonal matrices? What is orthogonal matrices? Okay. तुम्हाला माहित नसेल तर मी स्टार्ट करतो, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. यस, एनीबडी? मेगा, खुशी, रियल स्क्वेअर, ओके ओके.
Square matrix.
Square matrix. No, yes, not square matrix. माहिती आहे का, तुम्ही शिकलात का? माझ्या माहितीनुसार नाही
नाही.
शिकलात तुम्ही, माझ्या माहितीनुसार नाही
नाही.
शिकला. हा, ऑर्थोगोनल मॅट्रिक्स सगळ्यात सिंपल आहे, एकदम सिंपल. अ मॅट्रिक्स, ओरिजिनल मॅट्रिक्स, we take original matrix and we take it transpose. एक मॅट्रिक्स आणि त्याचा ट्रान्सपोज, आणि दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट जर आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स जर आला, ओरिजिनल मॅट्रिक्स आणि त्याचा ट्रान्सपोज जर आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स जर आला, that matrix is said to be orthogonal matrix. A into A transpose is equal to I, or A transpose into A. कसंही घ्या is equal to I. We need I. Okay, original matrix and its transpose is I. Then you say that the orthogonal matrix. So write on the definition. If A is a square matrix, write on the definition. A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix is said to be orthogonal. A is a square matrix is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose is equal to I, or A transpose into A is equal to I. If A is orthogonal, A is a square matrix is said to be orthogonal. A is a square matrix is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. Okay. झाला झालंय का? Write on the note in that matrix. Note. First note. If A is orthogonal, then A inverse is equal to A transpose. Second note, if A is orthogonal matrix, then A inverse is also orthogonal. These are the two notes. First note, okay. So these are the two notes. First note is if A is orthogonal, then A inverse is equal to A transpose. If A is orthogonal matrix, then A inverse is also orthogonal. Then A inverse is also orthogonal. Okay, I will put the attendance absent number on so in chat box. Absent number in chat box. Please check your number whether they are present or not. Okay. If not, then okay. If yes, then please reply me. 51. No, 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 no. मी जे absent number टाकले त्यात फक्त चेक करा तुमचा नंबर आहे का असेल तर सांगा मला yes there is a number. Okay. So tomorrow we see that example of this orthogonal matrix. Example on this orthogonal matrix. Okay. 5, 9, 15, 18, 22, 26, 31, 42. Yes, Ashwini. Yes. Still, if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you have any problem, please ask me.
सर नोट्स कधी देणार आहे?
नोट्स म्हणजे काय रे? हेच नोट्स आहेत की रे मित्रा.
म्हणजे एकदम तुम्ही असं पाठवणार म्हणजे
नाही 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 तसं कोण म्हणलं तुम्हाला देणार आहे का कोणी म्हणले का तुम्हाला?
नाही ते मॅडम म्हणाले होते सीसी मॅम की सगळे म्हणजे सगळ्या सब्जेक्टचे पाठवले जातील.
नोट्स ओके मी डिस्कस करून सांगतो तुम्हाला मग.
सर माझं सकाळचं लेक्चर मिस झालंय.
युट्यूब वर लेक्चर पहा ना.
लिंक
लिंक तुम्हाला शेअर केली ना मॅडमनी.
नाही
टेलिग्राम वर एक
नाही.
लिंक असेल पहा. नाही का?
नाही
हा,
शेअर
share केली.
आहे सर.
एकच मिनिट.
आम्हाला काय काय जणांना दिसत नाही.
ऐका ना, दिसत नाही असं
लिंक
होत
फक्त
नाही.
मेसेज येतोय त्याच्यावर लिंक
टेलिग्राम वर आली सर.
आले टेलिग्राम वरती आहे पहा चेक करा तुम्ही. नसेल तर परत शेअर करायला लावतो. ओके.